Hey guys, today we'll be playing some roblox. And today we're gonna play some Dungeon Quest. So let's look at our stuff so far. Okay. And if you guys hear any background noises or anybody doesn't even Miss Mary, Noelle, the TV, the dogs, or I does somehow. Anyways, turn on volume. Oh, I forgot it doesn't work. There you go. Okay. The first things first is claim my daily rewards. I'm sure they'll probably rate it 75. Ooh, an epic? Sweet. That was an epic, right? Yep. It's not one of these epic anymore. Kabeam. Kabeam. And a kaboom you. And a kaboom you. Donate you because I don't know how that goes. Donate you and you. Donate you. Donate you evil. Oh, yes, so much items here. So. So almost all of these. And no, I'm not trading them for something. I need to at least keep one. If I have any duplicates of an item, I'm just selling two of them if I have other. Ooh! Oh my goodness! Finally, I got over 1 billion yet. This is my first time actually over 1 billion. Okay, what should I upgrade? That's probably the right max. Maybe not this one. You know what? I'm gonna upgrade my armor. Actually, I'm gonna join my private supply. Anyway, let's do this. I'm gonna keep on switching areas. Maybe one day I'm just gonna go back to my room. Anyways, it's always for long before this to finally load in. If it doesn't load in a couple of seconds, it's good. Yep, never mind. There we go, we're here. Play, join, and you over to perfect. Perfect. Let's just see if I can get to upgrade my own weapons. So that was my helmet first. Yeah, probably. Wait, I might get 2 billion. That's actually pretty good. If I do to get 2 billion, then I definitely probably am going to be able to max up both my armors. But too bad on one of them. I'm going to make sure one of them. Hello? Let me in again. It's not letting me. I do. It's so much for stuff. You just put on my helmet. Why didn't I sell this yet? Anyway, 6 bucks. If I do beat this, I'm probably going to get more than 2 billion. Is dude's only ready for his next dungeon nightmare? Because of course he's going to have to do it, insane first. Cause there's nobody who could do nightmare right away. Is there an AQ or something? Why is it just shoot us going red? Oh, maybe because that. Anyways, yes, I'm about to level up. They're so far away. I'm not giving him my turn. I'm close to my turn, but it's hard to give me his. More H helmet. Someone just died. Yes! Or no, just right before him. The front of dude. Let's do it here. Just hope I can get maybe burial peace spell. Wait, ow, no, let me out. Ooh, an epic tank. Bang. The 179 down. Hey, let's go to the items I'm not going to use. My good day. Today's goal is to get to level 150, well, 145. And it says because I had to know how to collide these videos yet. If you guys do, can you guys comment down below and do very precisely scripted because because of reasons. Anyways, we're still down and still on those because the odds. I'm pretty sure I got wait just to make sure. Oh, wait, it wasn't that. It was this. I got duplicate. Yeah, not 2 billion. I join the yep, the laboratory. Yes. Also, okay, let's upgrade my helmet first. Actually, war armor first. That was gonna be wards, bit of physical. Just go max level it. And let's just add with the helmet too because I really want to be very strong. Spend off physical. Ooh, and I still have 1 billion left. Very interesting. Very interesting, I must say. So look at my helmet. Now to upgrade my sword. Spend all physical. Ooh, that's what. What is it? Why am I doing this to myself? Anyways, now I'm gonna see how strong I am now. Ooh, how much do I do with sword slash? Ooh, that's a lot. Kind of. Yes, this is kind of a lot. No, not to take down boss. So pretty decent. One. Attention. Oh no, this is some boss rage. Nobody's going. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So this. Did you get a new generator sound? No. Oh, yep. Wait here. Oh my, level 167 again. This is how we started. That's right, let's see on this. Cooper, where are you? I'm going to tell you and force you to start it on the Switch Road. I'm sorry. Hurry, Cooper, die! That's it. This is Cooper. Cooper. Smash. Okay. Let's just hope my dad will give me, an actual, okay. Glad that thing so I can have even longer videos and live stream. If I do get a live stream, I'm gonna go live like almost right away. Oh, as soon as I can it. There's so many people here. Avengers, assemble! My clothing is almost around the time. Anyways, if you guys start a YouTuber starters, you should buy this app on your PC if you record on PC. What was it called? Awesome. You guys just look at them in the video. When you're watching the video, it should be easy to see. Anyways, so how's your days? How are your days, guys? I need to look at my speech. What's wrong? If I don't get, if I don't get to, if I don't level up in this video, like when this video ends, I'm just gonna make parts. Well, I'm just gonna make another one and ask my friend if he can tell me how to collide them. Ow! Let me free. Oh. Oh, look, I got a tank. I'm a tank boy. Do 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 do. GG, you're running. Get pumped up. First of all, I'm gonna see if there's any overkill to do. I'm just gonna do some raids for the rest of this video. And if I get anything new, just a picture. Oh yes, 5 people. Come on, come on, come on. If I can beat a nightmare, then I'm gonna be so happy. So if I can beat insane nightmare when I'm on nightmare like I never got to say, I'm gonna be so happy. Anyways, let me just do something with my spell. Let me try to look at my sword to upgrade them. To be honest, yeah, I need to upgrade. Since I'm just gonna start soon because I barely have any time left. Ahoy! Yes, just good. And then and the good thing why when I start upgrading my sword right after this because I don't think I could have done it in one go. Okay, it takes me forever to load it again. I'm gonna be so mad because I want to summon sword. Oof, nope, never mind. I'm happy. I want to start. Wait, why did we start again? Why did we start? Look, let's just start. Go. No, me did it. Guys, when I'll see you guys tomorrow, the next video. Goodbye. Goodbye. Don't forget to like and subscribe.